Hey, this is Chep Renova. Are you looking for do-it-yourself PLR niche website articles that you can use to build your own do-it-yourself affiliate niche website? Or would you like to build a do-it-yourself affiliate niche website for your clients and bank big money? Or would you like to get 110 do-it-yourself PLR articles that you can sell on sites like Fiverr and so much more? Let's say you go on Fiverr and you sell this. Let's say you buy this today. And I'm going to give you a promo code today that will save you 50% off. So you won't pay $17. You only pay $8.50. And below this video in the description, I'll give you a link to this website and the promo code that you can save 50% off, okay? What you can do is once you purchase this, you will get a file. So let's say you want to sell this file yourself on Fiverr. You'll just take the file that I give you, and when you have customers that buy your do-it-yourself PLR articles, you can just upload that to Fiverr and release it to them. It's that simple. And you could sell these to people for $5, $10 or even more and literally start making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single month selling these 110 do-it-yourself PLR articles, okay? What I want to do is I want to show you what you're going to get today when you purchase the do-it-yourself articles, okay? You're going to get for each article an article title, an article word count, an article body, plus most of them you're going to get an article keywords with it, and you're going to get an article summary, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what you're going to get once you go through the purchase process, okay? So let's go right here. Click on here. Let's close this out really quick. I'm going to show you what you're going to get right here. Okay, here it's do-it-yourself. All different do-it-yourself type PLR articles, okay, that you will have 100% resale rights to and private label rights to. So let me just click on this one right here so you can see the quality. Okay, here's the article title, do-it-yourself, search engine optimization, SEO, 3 easy steps, 862 word count. Here's the summary to the article, the keywords, and then the article body. Okay, here's the whole article. So let's go to the next one right here so you can just see. All right, the title here, 5 steps to credit card debt reduction and money saving with done-for-you system. Word count is 713. Here's the article summary, and here's the article itself, or the keywords itself right here. Here's the article body right here. Now, if you were to get these articles written by a professional writer, okay, an English-speaking writer, you would pay anywhere from $50 to $100. Now, if you wanted to get someone that's, cheap, you could pay $5. And I would tell you this because I've had experience like this. You'll get articles that don't read well, and you will literally spend, hours. Excuse me. You will literally spend hours. Rewriting the article, and then you could have wrote the article yourself, okay? So do me a favor, look for high quality articles around $50 or $100. Or if you're looking for any of the articles that we sell, these are all written by very good English speaking writers that know about the topic that we are having them write for, okay? I just want to click on some more of these right here so you can see the quality of these articles that you're going to get. The title right here is Affordable Search Engine Optimization, Do-It-Yourself Step-by-Step Guide, 647 word count. Here's the summary right here. Here's the keywords, and here's the article body. You could just see right here, step 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great articles that can help you or even the people that are buying these articles do that. Or, like I said, if you want to build a do-it-yourself affiliate niche website, these are really good articles, and if you have 110 of them, you could actually make 110 posts in WordPress about do-it-yourself, and this could allow you to make very good commissions, build your own list, and do so many different things with your own do-it-yourself affiliate niche website, okay? I'm going to click on some more of these so you can see the quality. All right, title, beginning done for DIY. Word count is 544. Here's the article summary. Here's the keywords, and here's the article right here. Let's look here. There's the title, Credit Repair Specialist. They might help you, but why not do it yourself? 393 word count. Here's the summary and your keywords. Here's the article body. So like I said, if you are looking for a way to make money online and maybe you don't even know how to build an affiliate niche website, then you can just take these 110 do-it-yourself PLR niche website articles and sell them on sites like Fiverr or Freelancer or Flippa, anything you want that you could start making money. And like I told you in the beginning, you could literally make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars each day by purchasing this today from me for only $17. But if you save 50%, you'll only pay $8.50. But then you can go on sites like Fiverr and sell it for $5, $10 for each order. And like I was telling you, that small investment of $8.50 could turn into hundreds, if not thousands of dollars each and every month. Okay. And remember, you're getting 100% resale rights, private label rights, and you're getting 110 do-it-yourself PLR articles. If you have any kind of questions at all, leave your comments below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you go to our website, which will be in the description box below this, with the promo code that you'll save 50%, you can click on our support or look at other niche articles that we have on our done4you nichewebsites.com website. But we will get back to you either way if you write here on the comments in YouTube or if you go to our website. We are here to help you. We want you to have success, and we are looking for a way to help you earn extra money to help you in this hard day of time where people are trying to make money and having a hard time. And this is a very simple, easy way to go on sites like Fiverr, which has, already taken care of all the hard work. People go to that site looking for different, jobs to do or get jobs done. And there you will be with your 110 do-it-yourself PLR niche website articles or other ones that you buy from us or if you buy from somebody else. So start today making your own income and not have to go work a 9 to 5. This is Chad Pornova. If you have any questions, like I said, post them below in the comments. Have yourself a great day. Talk soon.